Let me continue, honorable ministers, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, now to something that always gives me the greatest of pleasure, coming face to face with our micro and small business grant recipients. This time, those of you here in Lautoka. I've said before that I get a tremendous kick out of handing out these certificates, whether it is in Suva, in Navoa, in Sabu Sabu, Tabioni, Rakiraki, or in Ba, because I can see from the faces of our people how much these grants means to them. The opportunity to get equipment or other assistance to the value of $1,000 to use for their businesses. The fact that the government has confidence in them, the fact that their fellow Fijians recognize their hard work and are putting aside some of their taxes to encourage them to grow our economy further. These are not, I must remind you all, that these are not handouts of money. I'm handing over a certificate that you take to the Fiji Development Bank officials over here somewhere. Bank officials? At the back. And then they will give you a check to take to the supplier of the goods you have asked for and that we have approved. You cannot go and buy a refrigerator. You cannot go and buy a TV with this money, nor can you buy grog or alcohol. It's very clear where this money is going. As a government, we are trusting you to do the right thing and use these items in the way they are intended. But this is also a wonderful way to provide people with $1,000 they would otherwise have trouble raising and fueling not only an enterprise culture in Fiji, but adding fuel to the economy generally. It is also giving many more Fijians a leg up into the banking system, because when you receive these grants, it is an endorsement from the government that you can use to raise commercial loans to further expand your business. We're starting to get some wonderful success stories coming through the system about what these grants recipients have been able to achieve. These are real people like you in just one area of the country whose lives are being transformed by this program, this $1,000 grant. So there is no doubt whatsoever about its value of the impact it is having for ordinary Fijians. And because of that, as I've said before, we are going to continue making these grants indefinitely to people who qualify on merit and through transparent process. Thank you, my fellow Fijians, whether you are a market vendor benefiting from the new shed, a grant recipient, or even maybe even both. I urge you to not only live up to the trust that has been placed in you, but to also seize the opportunities you have been given and use your imaginations to think of new ways in which you can grow your business. It is a wonderful time in Fiji, as I keep saying. Our economy grew by 5.3% last year during one of the longest running periods of expansion in our history. And as I keep saying, and we'll say again here today, it is a wonderful time to be a Fijian. Great things lie ahead for our beloved nation, especially for our children, if we can stay united as a people and focus on the task ahead of working together as one nation, being united, and building the Fiji we all dream of. Confident and strong, a nation for opportunity for everyone. Thank you all for being here. Thank you for all of those who made this such a wonderful day, and I look forward now to presenting our Lautoka recipients with their certificates. God bless you all.
Abele Puila, Abele Tor, Ana Maria Naisa, the van promoter, Teo Chan, Dewan Rasal, Donald Umar, Camille Robiromo, Kamlesh Kumar, Nazima Peda, Emia Tokoni, Donald Kunal Kumar, Esroma Natil, Bayama Nateken Limanua, Esenda Ramani, Edelina Gil, Feliz Miguel, Temaleti Dora Sayama.